Is it a blow to medical care on the South Side? First at 5 today, after nearly 40 years in business, Texas Vista Medical Center on the South Side is shutting down.
The facility used to be known as Southwest General Hospital. Jonathan Cotto across the street from that hospital. He joins us live. All right, Jonathan, a couple of questions here. This is the only hospital to serve the South Side. How are people reacting to this news? And perhaps more importantly, what will the impact be in all this?
Steve, that's right. You know, the people we spoke to here today are not happy, and the owners of the hospital say that some of the reasons that they are closing down are due to financial issues and other problems that we didn't get into specifics. But I can tell you that the people we spoke to here today say that if this hospital closes, people will be left without jobs and others without quick access to health care.
I really hope it's not true. And if it is true, I hope somebody please help us out. Come save this little hospital. It's a jewel.
Steward Healthcare, the owners of Texas Vista Medical Center, announcing the hospital will be closing down as of May 1st.
We've come a long way over the last several years when Steward took over. The level of care has increased significantly. And yeah, I just think it's a shame.
The 342-bed medical facility, formerly known as Southwest General Hospital, is the only of its kind to serve more than 175 patients on the city's south side. Without it, Robert says it'll have a negative impact on this community.
It allows them to stay close to their family so that they're not having to travel to downtown or even to the medical center or up to the far north side or east side.
My dad, he lives in this area.
Tiffany Sanchez is visiting her father, who is a patient at Texas Vista, and says she grew up on the south side and says it's more than just a building. It's a helpful and caring place.
I mean, gosh, I remember even being a kid and having a cold and coming and knowing that I was going to feel better after. So it's pretty heartbreaking, actually, now that I think about it.
There are also over 800 people who work here. Another concern, the economic impact.
That's cleaning, that's clinical, non-clinical. The thing that really is a big part of this hospital that people that may miss out on is the psychiatric services here.
Now, the president of Texas Vista Medical Center says they don't want to close down and are still hopeful that another entity can assume control of operations. Coming up at 6, we'll talk to you about why this hospital is so important and how it serves this community. Reporting live, Jonathan Cotto, KSAT 12 News.
Keep up to date with all of San Antonio's top news, weather, and so much more by clicking the like and subscribe buttons below. And once again, thanks for watching KSAT.